most demos die here. Let's build something maintainable. The architecture. We have the cloud provider, we have the merchant site, and we have the business owner who selects, prompts, and reviews the unpublished article. The app bridge is going to be pulling information from GraphQL, the backend, and the merchant site, using the client secret for the GWT as a signature, and in the other side, in the cloud provider, the worker is going to be checking those informations before passing the data to the AI that is going to be on. A few videos ago, this didn't exist. Today, Shopify isn't just an e-commerce platform anymore. It's programmable. You don't need another SaaS. You build your own inventory assistant, marketing assistant, SEO assistant, translation assistant, support assistant, compliance, and so on. Everything starts with the same architecture. Next, require the GitHub access. I see you in the next.